Saint, what's your opinion on this coronavirus?
Aya, hear me well. In this era of coronavirus, in other nations, scientists and medical practitioners are trending, while in Nigeria, some pastors are trending.
I call up you. Who you?
But why would they trend when those that studied microbiology, medicine, and chemistry, who are supposed to be in the laboratory mixing chemicals to find the cure for corona, are on TikTok doing challenge? Bird in the house, bird in the house. Are you supposed to be in the house or in the lab?
That's it.
Don't cut me. Hear me well. It is only in this country a pastor will post a message on Instagram, and in Nigeria will go and comment on the comment section. Contact me for your penis enlargement. May pastor enlarge penis? Because it's only in this country they will give a senator money to build community schools. He will give the whole budget to one side chick.
Hey!
It's only in this country a senator slapped a sales girl for selling fake sex toy for him. They like original sex toys, but they cannot make for us original road. Well done, Oswald.
Jesus!
The set of persons I'm angry with now are Nigerian native doctors. They have fed us. If it was to be in those days, one must have come out now and say, Okukuleku, Okukuleku, the corona COVID gods are angry and we need 19 virgins to cleanse the land. But now where are they? They are on Instagram. They are on Jemena's live video on Instagram watching her twerk. The gods are honey. How can a herbalist be wearing face mask and hand gloves?
Jesus!
Instead of you to go and look for herbs to cure this virus, you are buying hand sanitizer. Okukuleku, where is thy power? You will see these native doctors on Instagram moving from one DM to the other saying, I can give you followers, and you have just 2 followers. You cannot give what you don't have.
Hey!
Instead of you to be in the shrine, consulting the God, seeking for solution, you are on Messi Lambo's page looking at Nyash. That Nyash then go kill you. How can a native doctor, after rubbing chalk in one eye, you still wear face mask and hand gloves? Are you a surgeon? Okukuleku, you fail the gods. Ladies and gentlemen, our native doctors have failed us. Politicians have failed us. It is only God that can help us in this pandemic. Ladies and gentlemen, always wash your hands with running water. Use hand sanitizer. Use face masks when necessary. And stay at home when necessary. God, heal us. That's my opinion on coronavirus. It's not funny.
That's Saint, what's your opinion on the effects of this coronavirus?
Aya, hear me well. My sister, this coronavirus have affected both those that have the virus and those without the virus. Now, nobody wants to even sneeze again in public. The moment you start sneezing in public, your BP begins to rise. Fear begins to creep in.
But that's it.
Don't cut me. Hear me well. It has gotten to a point that some people are not thanking God for the disease that they have. I heard a man the other day saying, thank God I have cancer, not corona.
Hey!
That was how my neighbor's daughter, who returned back from the boarding school, she was vomiting and coughing. They took her for a test and the result came out she was pregnant. The dad was happy that thank God it was a baby, not COVID-19.
Hey!
Then the father said a word. When this child is being given birth to, he shall be called David. Coronavirus has made jobless people to be happy this period. Why? Because their job, which is joblessness, is now being recognized, encouraged, and recommended in the global society. Coronavirus has affected the world to a great extent that it has made people to love what they hate and to hate what they love. Formerly, before now, you hear people calling their friends on Sunday and say, John, hope you went to church. How was service? But now, they call their friends on Sunday and say, John, hope you didn't go to church. Please stay at home. People with jobs are already tired of this staying at home. They are now going to the jobless people to seek advice on how to stay at home.
What a wicked one!
This virus has really affected the average Nigerian youth source of income, which is betting. Before now, some of us, our feeding is dependent on Man U to win Chelsea. Now, Premier League has stopped. There is hunger in the land. But some of these youth are still betting. How can you be betting that under 2.5 to recover in Lagos?
What?
You are betting Benin half day over 1.5. You are saying Abuja and Oyo both stay to contact. Maybe betting no go kill you. Bet 1-9. Coronavirus have affected the world economically, spiritually, financially, matrimonially, every cali. After this thing is over, I just want the world to start afresh. New president, everything should just be brand new. Let's start from there. That's my opinion on this coronavirus and its effects. It's not funny.
That's it. What's your opinion on this stay at home?
Aya, hear me well. My sister, wives around the world are very happy with this stay at home. Why? It favors them. Do you know that before this staying at home began, some men always come back home very late at night when their wife have already gone to bed, and they will leave very early while their wife are still in bed? Well done, sir, spiritual husband.
That's it.
Don't cut me, hear me well. Most kids don't even know the real color of their father. Why? They only see them in darkness.
Jesus!
I know of a man that since this staying at home began, his phone has been on flight mode. Why? He never knows when the serpent side chick shall call. So his phone is on flight mode. Where don't sir pilot? Busy flying from bedroom to kitchen to toilet. Some married men are very happy with this staying at home. Why? Because work have been taking them far away from their family during the previous time. Why some other married men are angry? Why? This staying at home is taking them away from their side chick. Well done, sir. Ashawo. What? I know of some married men that after this stay at home is over, their wife will look for them for 2 weeks. Why? They will need to unlock the lockdown. This stay at home is very good. I was surprised. I heard my neighbor and the wife discussing about Telemundo, and the husband said, honey, I pray that tonight Musala does not die. Who is Musala? Ever since this stay at home, I have not seen on Instablog any wife beating any side chick in ShopRite. Though I'm not a prophet, but what I see is that after this stay at home is over, I see wives looking for their husbands and they will not find. They will even put some men's picture missing. Madam, go relax. You know, go see him until 14 days because he needs to be unquarantined. My sister, we pray that after this stay at home is over, it doesn't get to the extent that wives will go on the street with placards saying, bring back Corona, we miss our husband. Are you aware that this staying at home has exposed a lot? Because some women have been buying pots of soup from restaurants to feed their husband. Now, restaurant don't shut down. Husband is in the house with you, in the kitchen with you. Now you are in the pot of soup. Hey! Some married men will prefer to have coronavirus so that they can stay away from their corrosive wives. Coronavirus takes 14 days to manifest. Some corrosive wives manifest every second. We call them wifey29.
Hey!
If quarantine is recommended for COVID-19, side chick is recommended for wifey29. I know of some married men while staying at home, they are doing 4 DSTV subscription for 4 other homes. But my brother, listen to me. It will be an error if you are doing full bouquet DSTV for your side chick and you are doing 2K GoTV for your wifey. That's my opinion on this stay at home. It's not funny.
I never expected it.
MC Dacent, what's your opinion on Nigeria currency?
Hear me well. I made a research on the currencies in the world and here is my discovery. The highest currency in the world is termed Kuwait dinar. On 1 dinar, there's nobody on that money.
But Dacent,
Don't cut me, hear me well. The second highest currency is Berani dinar. The man on that currency is very much alive. What about pound sterling? The face on that currency is very much alive. That is why their country is alive. Their economy is doing well. Nigeria will never celebrate you unless you die. That is why from the 1 naira note to 1,000 naira note, everybody on that currency is dead. That is why our economy is dead. Take a look at 10 Kuwait dinar. They use an animal on that money. What's the animal? Eagle. The only bird that flies to the highest points. Come to Naira. We are putting cow on our money. How will the economy be eating grass? The problem of this country is our currency. Now imagine you are putting a soldier man, a general on 20 naira notes. That's an aberration. Put those that use it on that money. Put the police. Nigeria will never celebrate you unless you die. A young man getting married will post his wedding IV on Facebook. You will see it. You will not go. You will say, invite you personally. But if this young man die, you go bury her. He goes to invite you.
Go and sit down.
But right now, I'm here with a good news. I will not wait until you die before I will tell you that if you want to sell your Bitcoin, your gift card, the surest place to sell your Bitcoin and gift card is Luxury Exchange. You must not die first. They must not scam you first before I tell you the truth. Because I am a true Nigerian that have international mentality. Go to Luxury Exchange and sell your Bitcoin and gift card so that you don't be scammed. Then you not die. Then they not celebrate you. Luxury Exchange. That's all.
Now you may kiss the bride.
Kiss me. Hey, Kizana, you want a kiss bride, Abi? You want a kiss bride? Baba, you don't pay my money.
Calm down now.
When I don't pay money now, you want a kiss. Kissling, Abi? When they don't meet since how many months? You want just carry marry?
I go pay you.
Maria carry, Baba, I don't want yet. You beg me again, not provoke me, Baba. This is your wife. After you pay my money, I carry your wife for you.
My wife?
This is the wife, carry the wife.
My heart and wife.
Carry the wife. What's nothing?
How you go do this kind of thing now?
I for don't pay. Now person why I say Bitcoin give. They put you me. They scam me.
That's what you say Bitcoin for. Why you not tell me now? Say you want to say Bitcoin. See what happen now. See, everybody know for this life, for this world. Say, only one person is reliable for Bitcoin matter.
Be that.
Now, Chidi14 exchange.
You can tell me.
You ask me. Chidi14 exchange are the best, trustworthy, fast, reliable. They know they do transaction for WhatsApp and Instagram, like all those scammers. Now their website www.chidi14exchange.com.
I will do this one now, bro.
Oh, okay, know what go happen?
Hey,
you my guy. I go enter that website and do transaction with them. I still get some Bitcoin to say, I just say for them, use the money to go clear your wife.
Don't quick pay.
Chidi14 exchange. 30 seconds they don't pay. I see the fast die. Now the best. Chidi14 exchange. Nobody. Now they be there. Yes, come on. I bet for that hello, you just quick with the 30 seconds to don't come. Hello, eh? I go down with the call.
A few moments later.
God bless you, best man. Chidi14
is the best. Chidi14.
Finally, now you may kiss the bride.
Ah!